Yes, students, in this session, I am going to tell you how we can add two objects of a class in Java. So today's topic or this question is for addition of two objects in Java. There is a class named distance having feet and inches as data members and get, put and add function which is which will be used to add two objects of a class. So students, suppose there is a class, so I will say public class distance. It is having variable integer feet comma inches. These are the data members. Now I want to input the data. Void get data. This is my function for inputting the data. Data means inputting the value of feet and inches. Another is void put data. This is for displaying the result of object. Then void or add or sum function. Then we have public static void main string args. Curly braces start and end for this. And finally the class. So first of all I have to import java.lang or java.util.star scanner in equals to new scanner system.in system.out.println. Enter feet equals to in dot next int. So I will create put data function as well for displaying feet Now first we have to test this class distance by creating some object distance d1 comma d2. d1 dot get data, d2 dot get data, d1 dot put data, d2 dot put data. File save. Distance dot java. Now we have to come on cmd ecolon cd java c. So if I want to see, the distance class has been made or not. Distance dot star. There is a class named as or program named as. Now you have to compile it. It is asking for the semicolon. I have to check this is the error. I have to put semicolon, then save again. And now you have to compile this. Public is P capital is not allowed because it is case sensitive. Some function is required some return type. Without return type, you cannot declare a function. So I have to say void sum. So there is an error which is saying that you had not initialized. See the error. D1 and D2 is not getting the memory space because they are not initialized. So what we have to do, equal to new distance now it is correct. Enter feet, enter inches, enter feet, enter inches. So these has been displayed. Now what I want to do, I want to add these two feet and inches text. So now I have to declare a sum function in which I have to declare one more function, one more object, distance d3 equals to new distance. So now what I have to do, I have to call d3 dot sum d1 comma d2. I have to pass two objects to the function. So my void sum is there, say distance d1 comma distance d2. Now you have to add feet equals to d1 dot feet plus d2 dot feet, and inches equals to d1 dot inches plus d2 dot inches. So after adding these two, I will come and display d3 dot put data as well. So we will check whether our function is working fine or not. Now compile Java C, say Java, enter feet. Suppose I'm saying 4 feet and 8 inches. Next is 5 feet and 10 inches. So it will show me 18. For feet and inches, 4 and 8 for first, 5 and 10 for second distance object, and 9 and 18 for second. For third. So 4 plus 4 is 4 plus 5 is 9, and 8 plus 10 is 18. So now this 18 should be converted into inches and feet. So as we know that 1 feet is equals to 12 inch. So 12 inch, if I will divide this 18 by 12 inch, then I will get the inches, and rest will be the, sorry, we will get the feet, and then rest will be the inches. So what I have to do now, I will say if inches is greater than equal to 12, then what to do, feet plus equals to inches divided by 12, and inches modulus equal to 12. So if I will say 4 and 7, 5 and 8. So now 4 and 5, 9, but we are getting feet as 10 inches because 7 and 8 becomes 15, and remainder is 11 inches. So I will show the code again. This is my code. Now if I want to display, I can give some messages. Distance object 1 last as well. This will be object 3. So some more formatted output I will get. So this is the concept. Feet is been added for distance object 1. Feet is been added into the feed. 3 and 6, 9, and 7 and 8, 15. So 15 is been converted into inches and feet. So 15 divided by 12, if we will say that if we find that division, so it will be 1 and remainder will be 3. So 1 feet should be added into the total feet. So feet is 3 plus 6, 9. 1 feet is comes from the conversion of inches. So that's all about this question. So in this method, we can, in this method, by this method, we can add our objects and we can manipulate their members.